Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I'll show you how to change the BIOS. This is Asus X555L model laptop. You can see this laptop was Windows 8 original and this BIOS version is UEFI, and here you can see it's not booting the Windows. Press F2. And you can see here is the BIOS setup. So I make default, restore default, and save change exit. See, it's not loading. It's coming BIOS setup. So how can you fix this problem? You have to go in the security and go down secure boot, and you can see here is the secure boot is enabled. You have to make it disable and go back, escape, go to boot, and you can see here the first boot enable and launch CSM boot is disabled. You have to make it enable, and then in down disable is make it enable, and go back, save change and exit. Okay, so you need a Windows UEFI boot, and you can see guys this boot device is not available because maybe no Windows is damaged or something. So here is I have Windows 10 is Arabic. I download from Media Creator Tools and I make it bootable USB, and I put it USB. Okay, now I will restart laptop. And see, now it's automatic booting, 64-bit. I have to press enter and it is loading now. And see guys, it's loading Windows now. And here is next, install now. I accept, down, and next, and go to down, and see guys, here is the partition. Have to make delete, all the partition. And then next, okay, and you can see now next, and now installing Windows. After finish I will show you. Complete, you have to go boot again, and here you can see the booting option. So I go to down, select the hard disk, enter. Here is send disk. I have to make disable this, and I have to make here and go down, add new boot option or create. remove the flash, check it is loading Windows or not. It's not loading. You can see it's working now, but I tell you what is the problem, why before it's not working. And see guys, it is open now, but I have one problem. So now I'm showing you what is the problem. Before is not working Windows because the hard disk connection was problem here, and you can see I put the hard disk in the CD drive. So here is the hard disk. It's not loading, but when I put this in the CD drive, is working perfectly. So guys, if you have problem hard disk this connection here, I try the new hard disk but it's still not working, then I put in the CD-ROM drive, and now it is working very good. So see guys, so I will return the old hard drive here and reformat, because this connection have problem. You need to change the connection. You know, here is the problem. Is it hard disk connection is problem? I have to clean or put some paste. It's still not working. See, I have to change this small circuit, but still not working the hard drive. So what I do now, I have to buy this HDD ODD device, and I will install this one here and put the hard disk, and it will be working inshallah. Wait and see. Okay guys, so I'll show you how to install this. This is slim, and just put your hard drive here. Okay, and install this one. Like this, or you can use your DVD ROM. This is still here, this one. I just remove this screw. So if you use this hard disk on the CD-ROM, so you can't use the CD-ROM anymore. Please guys subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.